noticed that Little Bear and Johnny were missing until it was time to sit down to the first Thanksgiving dinner they all had worked so hard for. It was then that they discovered the boys were gone. When they found their tracks leading into the dark forest, a great fear befell them all.
Don't worry, Mary. We'll find the boys.
But the woods are full of wild animals.
And so Thanksgiving was all but forgotten, for the only thing on everyone's mind was to find Johnny and Little Bear before it was too late.
You know something, Little Bear? I think we chased those two timber wolves too deep in the forest.
I think you're right.
I'm also thinking something else. I'm thinking we're lost.
I think you're right again. Well, we're not afraid. We'll find our way back. Or am I not the son of a great Indian chief?
And am I not the son of the great adventurer, Francis Cooke, who brought his family across on the Mayflower?
Right! Which way do we go? That way!
Let's go that way.
Uh-oh! Cast off!
Casting off.
Little Bear! Johnny!
Hey, it's Jeremy! Hi, Jeremy!
Where are you two going?
Down the river to the settlement. Hi, Jeremy!
Hi. Down the river? It doesn't lead to the settlement. It leads to a...
A waterfall! Where did that come from? I don't know, but we gotta turn back.
Hey, something's wrong. We don't seem to be going the right way.
Hang on. I'll save you. I'll save you.